Hey y'all, Scott Waterman here from Design with Scott, and I'm so super excited to release this video to you tonight. Running a little bit late, but better late than never. So check it out. If you're still interested in Crafters Convention, tickets are still available. CraftersConvention.com. Y'all, we are going to have so much fun. And the designers that we have coming, over the top. So without further ado, here we go.
And riding Crafters Convention, yeah, we're crafting dirty. We're crafting dirty.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know about all that, but Damon from Deco Exchange,
Amy from the Bamries.
Catherine would tickle me so.
y'all, we can't wait to see you guys at Crafters Convention 2020. Get your tickets at craftersconvention.com, and we will see y'all there.